Okay, now let us go to lesson 5. What's in? Name the polygon below. So, number 1, we have this is a trapezoid. Okay? Now, this one is called pentagon. Why pentagon? Because it has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Now, this one, dodecagon. Why dodecagon? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, 12 sides is called dodecagon. This one, decagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So, it is called decagon. It has 10 sides. This one has 12 sides. This one is square. Okay? Now let's go on the meaning of congruent. Remember this class, congruent polygon. When you say congruent polygon, it has, or it is a polygon that the same shape, remember that the same shape and size, and the tracing of one fits the other. And third, their corresponding angles and sides are congruent. Remember that congruent polygon is a polygon that the same shape, that has the same shape and size. The tracing of one fits the other. Their corresponding angles and sides are congruent. Okay? Now, let's answer this. What's more? Try this. Write C if the polygons are congruent and NC if the polygons are not congruent. In number 1, do they have the same size? Yes, it has. So, it is congruent. How about number 2? Do they have the same size? They have the same shape, but they don't have the same size. So, they are not congruent. Number 3, they have the same size and the same shape. They are congruent. Very good. C, the answer is congruent. Number 4, do they have the same size? They have the same shape, but not the same size. So, they are not congruent. How about number 5? They have the same shape and size. They are congruent. Okay. Check your work. Now, let's go to keep trying. Encircle the letter of the polygon. So, encircle the letter of the polygon that is congruent to the first polygon. So, it means we have to look for the same polygon in this number. No? So, what is that? Letter B. Okay. They have the same size and the same shape. Number 2. The answer is letter A. Okay, they have the same size and the same angle. Okay, this one, number 3. The answer is letter C. Okay. Number 4, the answer is the same size, the same shape, letter A. Number 5, the same size and the same shape. This one is bigger. Okay, this one is correct. Very good. Okay, check your work. Now, let's go now on what I can do. Encircle 5 polygons that are congruent to the polygon on the left. So we're going to look for 5 polygons compared to these that have the same size and shape. So the answer is letter A, letter C, letter D, letter F, and letter G. Okay. Now, let's go on the assessment. Study the figures below. List down the 5 pairs of congruent polygons. Okay, what are those polygons that are the same or congruent? When you say congruent, they have the same size and the same shape. So let us see, letter A and letter J, are they the same? Yes, correct. Letter H and F, H and F, yes, correct. K and E, K and E, they are the same. B and I, B and I, correct. G and D, G and D, they are the same. Okay, how many got 5? Write your answer in your scoreboard or scorecard.